180 degrees and pi radians, are they the same thing? Let's find out how to switch between them. Here is the key fact. Pi equals 180 degrees. To get radians, multiply by pi over 180. To get degrees, multiply by 180 over pi. Let's convert 60 degrees. Multiply by pi over 180. Simplify, and you get pi over 3. Now the other way. 3 pi over 4 times 180 over pi, the pi cancels, gives 135 degrees. Common mistake. Students multiply degrees by 180 over pi. That's backwards. Degrees go with pi over 180. Remember, d to r, divide by 180, times pi. Memorize these common values, they appear in every exam. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.